Welcome everyone to our next SAP FICO learning tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will see how to post a reversal document in SAP. So to reverse an accounting document, you have to use transaction code FB08, or else you can go through the SAP path here, go to accounting, then financial accounting, general ledger, then go to document. Here click on reverse and then click on individual reversal. Once you click, you can see the screen for the accounting document reversal. So enter the document number here, company code, fiscal year, select the reversal region. Here you can see the reversal region. So I have posted this document in the current fiscal year and current month, so I'll choose the reversal in current period. I'll choose the posting date here and posting period. Then before posting the reversal, you need to check like the document entry view here. Click on display before reversal. Here you can check the entry, then click on exit here and then click on post. So you can see here this document is posted with reference number 2 ending with all 0 for the company code 7075. So go to the document list here again. I'll be taking the entry date reference. Click on execute. So here you can see you have posted the reversal. Document type is AB. If I once I change the layout here, I'll select the clearing document also, or reversed with, select it. Okay, so you can see here the first document is reversed with this document. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.